Okay, hello again. I hope you had a chance to finish reading the story. Um, Dad came home, and I'm really curious to see what happens in the story. And maybe some of you went ahead and read ahead, and feel free to do that. We're not going to look at Dad came home, or Dad came home again for a while. So if you're curious, just like I am, feel free to read ahead or continue or finish the book. Because I would like to know if Dad is struggling coming home. Maybe he had some really bad experiences in war that are making it hard for him to think and to live his life. So he might need some help, is a question that I have. And then I'm also wondering how Chloe's going to handle it. I know she was so excited to see her dad, and I would guess is feeling pretty disappointed that he was busy and not able to give her more attention. Okay, so hopefully you had some questions as well. Please, again, read ahead, finish the story if you'd like to know more. Okay, today in phonics, we're going to be focusing in on a short little story. It's an accountable text called Simple Things. All right, so we're in this My Word Study book, right, on page 12. Right, so if you need to pause this video, go ahead and do that, because we're going to read this the first time together. I'm going to go back here. Okay, Simple Things. Now, I'm going to read it aloud the first time. I want you to just follow along with me. I'm going to focus on pausing at the periods and adding expression while I read. Okay, Simple Things. Devin was having a rough week. Going to a new school was harder than he expected. It was larger than his previous school, and everyone seemed to know one another. To make matters worse, on the first day he had forgotten his new teacher's name. Not cool. And he had misspelled his mitt, so he couldn't play baseball after class. Things had to change. By Friday morning, Devin felt like he would burst. But when his little sister started telling knock-knock jokes at the breakfast table, his mood improved. Then, later, when he saw a kid searching for a table in the lunchroom, Devin pulled up a chair and invited him to sit down. Back in class that afternoon, Devin concentrated on what was being said and made it a point to contribute to the discussions. In a good mood now, he even started to clean his room after school. The following week, Devin continued to share and listen to people. These simple things helped him make new friends. School wasn't so tough after all. And when Devin found his missing mitt in his newly cleaned room, he did one more thing. He began to laugh. All right, pause the video and go ahead and read this one more time out loud to yourself. Pausing at periods, add expression. All right, now that you've had a chance to read it a second time to yourself, we're going to use the space at the bottom of the story here to answer these three questions. Now, I don't know if you can see my work here, but I chose to use a thinking map to answer one of my questions. Okay, so don't be afraid to use strategies and thinking maps that you've learned from the past that help organize your thoughts. Okay, but question 1, why was Devin having a rough week? All right, so if you're going to start that answer on your paper, you might start it with Devin was having a hard week because, and then you can finish answering that. Question 2, why and how did Devin's week change? Find evidence in the text to support your answer. Okay, so you might start your answer with Devin's week continued to change. The first piece of evidence is, the second piece is. Okay. Right, and feel free to pause if you want to answer that right now before we look at question 3. Okay. And the final question, have you ever had a difficult week at school? What did you do to turn it around? All right, so this is your text to self connection. Can you relate with Devin? And how did you make improvements? All right. Nice work today, 5th graders. You'll notice that you're not turning in anything over the computer, but this book, you'll have a collection of your work to turn back into your teacher when we come back to school in the next couple weeks. All right, good job. Take time to answer, show your best work, and we'll see you tomorrow.